52 Traders, episode 14.
But I said don't use it as a strategy. Just read it and understand how it works. And you'll be off to a whole new world of discovery. I guarantee you.
Over the next year, your host Cam Hawkins gets inside the minds of 52 of the world's best traders to find out if he has what it takes to become one of them. Join Cam every week on the 52 Traders podcast or at 52traders.com to learn how to trade like the pros. This podcast is for educational and entertainment purposes only and is not investment, trading, or financial advice of any kind. Trading is very risky and could lose you all of your capital. Any comments about historical performance are not an indication of future results.
Before we kick things off, remember to visit 52traders.com for the show notes and to pick up my completely free trading software that had a 100% win rate in 2014. Simply jump on the site, add your email, and I'll send you the download link. What's up, traders? Welcome to another weekly installment of 52 Traders. And today we're lucky enough to have Shuhan on the show. Shuhan hails from Singapore and has been trading options, futures, commodities, and stocks since 2001 and now focuses solely on trading spot Forex. A fund manager by profession, Shuhan also owns a brokerage firm and trains dealers, investment bankers, and central bankers. Welcome, Shuhan, and thanks for joining me here on the 52 Traders podcast.
Nice to meet you.
Hey, how's it going?
Hey.
So I've mentioned some of your highlights already, and that's only a small part of your story. So now, can you tell the listeners a bit about you personally and what first attracted you to trading?
I started trading when I was 18 years old. Previously, I was taught by a trader from the United States of America, who happened to be a famous guy who likes to grow turtles. And I started my first trading career in the pits at 18 years old in this trading my master's account in the Chicago Mercantile Exchange. And the very first day, I lost $500,000 when I was 18 years old. And that was where I was hooked. I was determined to make it back. And that's where I was full-time trading from then on. Yes, that's how it began.
And what about you personally? So what's your background? Where do you come from?
I came from a middle-class family. I started working when I was 14 years old, so to support myself and my family. And I graduated with a degree in political science. And now I am also I'm a writer. They interview me on TV, radio, read newspapers, and I sometimes adjunct teach at universities, mostly investment bankers and central bankers, which is rare because not everybody gets to teach central bankers, particularly on risk management and some of the stuff that the governments have to decide on, such as interest rate decisions and stuff like that. And I'm a fund manager by profession, and I own a brokerage, which I will not promote it here, but I'm mostly a fund manager by profession. And the sum that I manages does not go below 7 digits, does not exceed 10 digits. That's all I can say. Yeah.
For those listening for the first time, we're about to enter a round I like to call the fundamentals. This is where I'll be asking Shuhan to tell us stories that will help you understand what makes him a successful trader. So, can you give the listeners some insight into your trading style, the strategy you use, time frames you trade, winning percentages, instruments, those sorts of things? Okay, so that was the first part of the show. Now, to hear the full episode, the best bits, join the family at 52traders.com. They usually go for about 45 minutes to an hour long, and trust me, these shows are great. They give us so much insight. Now, if you want to get there quickly, all you need to do is jump into the show description on your phone, and there's a link taking you directly to 52traders.com, where you can join the family over there and listen to the full episode. Now, in the rest of the show, I cover off what my traders do differently from the rest of us. So what is it that they're doing that we're not doing? What their typical trading day looks like, what they would do if they had a day job now and wanted to trade for a living, their preferred trading strategy, so actually how does it work? What we should be educating ourselves on when we're looking at a price chart, so what indicators we should use, what price levels, what chart patterns, all those sorts of things. Also, we touch on fundamentals as well, so how do we use news to our advantage? Trading psychology, tips, tricks, techniques, we go through those. Exiting trades, managing trades that you've got running. So we talk about their strategies. They give you strategies for exiting and managing trades. books to read, websites to visit, all the best ones. Something that you should try and master over the next month, the broker and platform they use, and finally, last but not least, they give us a full trading strategy, so something you guys can try out at home on your PC this week in the markets if you wish. Now, to get the full episode, you need to jump onto 52traders.com, join the family. As I said, it usually goes on for 45 minutes to an hour, and there's a link in the show description, so if you're on your phone, just jump on there, tap the link, and it'll take you straight to 52traders.com. Now, if you're thinking about learning to automate any of your trading, hiring a developer, learning to code, that sort of thing, then before you do that, jump onto my other website, automatemytrading.com. So if you're interested in automating some or all of your trading, then jump onto automatemytrading.com and you'll see me over there. For now, to hear the rest of this episode, all you need to do is click on the link in the show description or go to 52traders.com. See you there.